I really hate to be the one to tell you this, but if you're not actively investing and working on building wealth, with every passing day, you are getting poorer.
No. It's not true. That's impossible!
The cost of living continues to increase while wages aren't keeping up, and it's getting harder to make ends meet with every passing year. And guess what? It's not going to stop. If you thought last year was difficult, well, I hate to break it to you, but it's going to get worse unless you actively do something about it. I'm Venture Dave, and if you're tired and unhappy of where you are financially, then you're in the right place, because in my channel, I'm going to give you real, proven, and actionable knowledge that anyone can use, regardless of what your situation is, to take control of your finances and your life, so you can hopefully have some semblance of dignity in your old age, assuming the planet lasts that long. Here's the thing. If you're just hanging out, you're living life, spending your paycheck each month, and you're just expecting that in 30 or 40 years when you retire, things will just work out, well, boy, do I have some news for you. With every passing year, the wealth gap goes larger and larger. It's pretty obvious at this point that the ultra-rich are pretty set on extracting every bit of wealth from you as possible. Basically like a game of Hungry Hippos, except that one hippo starts the game with 99% of the marbles already in its mouth, and then glues the other hippo's mouth shut, so they don't even have a chance to eat the last remaining marble. And then, if by some miracle of fate, one of those hippos manages to break free and get a marble, it's only a matter of time before some unforeseeable medical emergency plunges them into generational financial ruin. The system is designed to take money from you. But hey, you don't need me to tell you this. You already know it. You can see it every day on the news, on social media, you feel it when you get your groceries, when you pay your rent. All those high prices you're paying due to inflation, where do you think it's going? Corporations are like, oh no, inflation is here, we need to raise our prices, as if they're not the ones causing inflation. Quarter after quarter, corporations are reporting record profits, and you know why that is? Because they continue to raise their prices while, guess what? Is your pay going up 30% year over year like rent or groceries? Of course not.
See, now that's some bullshit.
So again, the wealth gap is widening, and if you're not actively taking steps right now to build wealth, you are falling behind and you will get left behind. But as I said, you already know this. The real question is, how do you get on the winning side of the equation? And no, I'm not talking about making it into the 1%. That's just not realistic for, well, 99% of people. What I am talking about is taking control of your finances and making the smart decisions to start building wealth and making your money work for you rather than the other way around. But the system will not take care of you. You need to look out for yourself, and I'm going to give you the tools to do that.
Oh, thank God.
Now listen, this isn't something that's just going to fall into your lap. It's not going to be easy, and it's not going to be quick. The only real way to grow wealth consistently is slow, dedicated, and a process that is hard, requires dedication, and sacrifice.
What did it cost?
Everything.
Managing finances is no different than taking care of your personal health. You can't just go to the gym one day or eat one apple and expect to be healthy. That's just dumb. The same is true for finances. You need to build habits and take daily, weekly, monthly actions to build your financial health to allow you to live the life you deserve. Imagine being at a point where you're financially independent, where you can use your time how you want. Focus on the things that are important to you. Order that extra guac guilt-free. That's what you're focusing on when you're making the tough choices and the sacrifices now to reward yourself in the future. And if you're here at this channel, you've likely already made this decision that you want to improve your financial situation. And that's the first major step. And look, I get it. This sounds kind of difficult. Some of you are looking for an easy way out, a get-rich-quick scheme. Trust me, I've been there. Some of you think you can hit it big day trading stocks or with Amazon dropshipping. You know what? If you want to try that, go ahead. But I guarantee you'll waste time, lose money, and you'll end up right back here wishing you started this earlier.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
So wherever you are in your financial journey, whether you're drowning in debt and expenses, or you're already investing and looking to maximize your returns, I will give you the knowledge, understanding, and actionable advice to start building a future you can be excited about. If you're ready to commit to improving your financial future and hopefully not end up as a lifelong indentured servant to the oligarchy, then join my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Venture on.